bat US. Chairman Ubadeiru Managing Director Shongknor Energy Corporation Limited Sanjay Goyal nengisngi ulo bentip beladap ban penkret na dong sedong ha ke bede ba kejing pembiang boarding ha kini kejala ulo pensyai ba ha kepor bajurtam kejing dawa boarding kila antat ba kejing don kam boarding man la kesingi kan kot kumbah saus pa megawatt bat ya kaniru ladap ban pembiang lepa da ke benrap ba ha ke bede ba kejing don ki boarding kam dan setia kan kejing Duna bat ketenat boarding keladap pembiang lepa ya kejing kam barok.
So as far as the availability of the power is concerned, there is no shortage, and we have already worked out the requirement, and the average daily requirement is roughly around 300 megawatts. So we are quite comfortable with this. During the peak time, we are anticipating that it will touch roughly around 400 megawatt. So that also has been arranged. We have forward agreements of taking the energy from the other sources also, as well as our own generation. The Aïom Lake reservoir level is quite comfortable.